Healthy eating on a budget. Tips for nutritious and affordable meals. Want to eat healthy without breaking the bank? The good news is that this is absolutely possible. In this video, we'll share practical tips and strategies for creating nutritious meals on a budget. Eating well doesn't have to mean spending a fortune. In fact, with a little planning and creativity, you can enjoy delicious, wholesome meals that will go easy on your wallet. Whether you're a student trying to watch your spending, a busy parent looking for quick meal solutions, or anyone in between, these tips will empower you to make healthier choices without sacrificing flavor or nutrition. We'll cover everything from smart shopping techniques to meal prepping ideas that will help save time, energy, and money. Make sure you stick around until the end, where we'll demonstrate a quick, affordable recipe you can try today, perfect for anyone looking to kickstart their journey toward healthier eating. So grab a pen and paper, because you would not want to miss these valuable insights that are going to be shared. Why healthy eating seems expensive. Have you ever walked into a grocery store, glanced at the price of organic produce, or a bag of quinoa, and thought, why is eating healthy so expensive? You're not alone. Many people feel this way, and it's not surprising. Rising food prices, clever marketing tactics, and the popularity of trendy health foods can make it seem like nutritious eating is only for those with deep pockets. But let's break this down. First, there's the perception created by marketing. Brands often position their products as premium or exclusive to justify higher prices. Think about those fancy protein bars or superfood powders. They're marketed as essential for a healthy lifestyle but are often unnecessary. The truth is, you don't need expensive superfoods to eat well. Simple, whole foods like oats, beans, bananas, and carrots are just as nutritious and cost a fraction of the price. Then there's the issue of convenience. Prepackaged salads or pre-cut fruits may seem like a healthy choice, but you're paying extra for the convenience of not having to chop or prepare them yourself. By doing a little prep work at home, you can save a lot of money while still enjoying fresh, healthy meals. Another reason healthy eating feels expensive is that people often compare it to the cost of fast food or processed snacks. Sure, a $1 menu burger might seem cheaper upfront than buying ingredients for a salad, but think long term. That salad will likely provide more servings and better nutrition than the fast food option, giving you more value for your money. Finally, let's talk about mindset. Many people associate healthy eating with specialty stores or organic-only products. While organic is great when it fits your budget, it's not always necessary. Conventional produce is still packed with nutrients and can be much more affordable. So here's the good news: eating healthy doesn't have to cost a fortune. With some smart planning, like shopping for seasonal produce, buying in bulk, and cooking at home, you can create nutritious meals that fit any budget. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to make all of this happen. Tip number 1, plan your meals. First and foremost, always plan your meals for the week. This simple step is one of the most effective ways to save a lot of money while also eating healthily. When you know what you're going to eat, it helps you avoid impulsive buys that can quickly add up at the checkout counter. Plus, meal planning significantly reduces food waste, which is not only good for your wallet but also for the environment. To get started, take a moment to sit down and write out your meal plan. You might find it helpful to use a meal planning app or even just a simple notebook will do. Begin by listing affordable, nutrient-dense staples that you can incorporate into your meals. Think about items like beans, lentils, eggs, oats, rice, and seasonal vegetables. These ingredients are not only healthy but also incredibly versatile. For example, you can use beans in salads, soups, and stews. Lentils can be turned into hearty curries or veggie burgers. Eggs can be scrambled for breakfast or used in frittatas for lunch or dinner. Oats make a great base for breakfast bowls or overnight oats. And rice can serve as a side dish or the foundation of stir-fries. Next, consider planning meals that share ingredients. This way, you can buy in bulk and use everything you purchase throughout the week. For instance, if you buy a bunch of spinach, plan to use it in salads, omelets, and smoothies. Not only does this approach save money, but it also keeps your meals interesting and varied. Finally, don't forget to include some flexibility in your meal plan. Life can be unpredictable. Having a few quick and easy backup meals, like frozen vegetable stir-fries or pasta with marinara sauce, can help you stay on track without feeling overwhelmed. By taking the time to plan your meals each week, you're setting yourself up for success in both your health journey and your budget. So grab that pen and paper or open up your favorite app. It's time to start planning. Tip number 2, shop smart. Next up, let's talk about shopping smart. This is where you can really stretch your dollar while filling your cart with healthy options. One of the best strategies is to buy in bulk whenever possible, especially for staple items like grains, legumes, and spices. Purchasing these items in larger quantities often results in significant savings. Plus, they have a long shelf life, making them excellent investments for your pantry. When it comes to fresh produce, don't overlook local farmers' markets. These markets often offer seasonal fruits and vegetables at lower prices than grocery stores. You're not only supporting local farmers but also getting fresher produce that's packed with flavor and nutrients. If you're unsure about what to buy, consider asking the vendors for their recommendations on what's in season. They're usually more than happy to help. Another smart shopping tip is to compare prices between different stores. Many grocery chains have weekly sales or loyalty programs that can save you money. Take a few minutes to check flyers or apps before heading out. You might be surprised by how much you can save by simply choosing a different store for certain items. And let's not forget about generic brands. Many people shy away from these options, thinking they won't be as good as the big name products. However, generic brands are often produced by the same manufacturers as their branded counterparts and meet the same quality standards, yet they usually cost significantly less. So, next time you're at the store, give those generic options a try. Your wallet will thank you. By shopping smart and being mindful of where and how you spend your money, you can fill your kitchen with nutritious foods without overspending. Remember, it's all about being strategic and informed while you shop. Tip number 3, cook at home. Cooking at home is truly your wallet's best friend. When you prepare your meals, you gain complete control over what goes into your food and how much you spend. This not only helps you save money but also allows you to make healthier choices. For instance, think about those pricey salads or takeout meals that can quickly add up. Instead of shelling out $5 to $10 for a salad at a restaurant, you can create your own delicious version at home for just a couple of dollars. Start with a base of leafy greens, like spinach or romaine, then add in whatever toppings you enjoy, such as cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, nuts, or seeds. You could even throw in some leftover grilled chicken or chickpeas for protein. The possibilities are endless. Cooking at home also opens up the opportunity to experiment with flavors and ingredients. You can try new recipes, adjust seasonings to your taste, and even sneak in extra veggies without worrying about the cost. Plus, when you cook in batches, you can prepare larger quantities that can be stored for later meals. This not only saves time during busy weekdays, but also reduces the temptation to order takeout when you're short on time. Another benefit of home cooking is that it encourages mindful eating. Preparing your meals allows you to focus on the ingredients and their nutritional value, making it easier to make healthier choices. You'll find that cooking becomes not just a necessity, but a rewarding experience that brings joy to your daily routine. So grab those pots and pans, and start cooking as soon as possible. With each meal you prepare at home, you're not only saving money but also investing in your health and well-being. Tip number 4, embrace frozen and canned foods. Don't overlook the power of frozen and canned foods. These options are often more affordable than fresh produce, have a longer shelf life, and can be just as nutritious. In fact, many frozen fruits and vegetables are flash frozen shortly after harvest, which helps retain their vitamins and minerals. This means you can enjoy the benefits of fresh produce without the worry of spoilage. Frozen vegetables are incredibly versatile and can be easily added to a variety of dishes. Whether you're making soups, stir-fries, or casseroles, having a stash of frozen veggies on hand allows you to whip up quick, budget-friendly meals in no time. Just toss them into your pan or pot, and you've instantly boosted the nutritional value of your meal. Canned foods are another great option. Items like canned beans, tomatoes, and corn are not only inexpensive but also packed with protein and fiber. They're perfect for adding substance to salads, soups, and stews. For example, a simple chili can be made in minutes by combining canned beans, diced tomatoes, and some spices, delicious and satisfying without breaking the bank. When shopping for canned goods, just be mindful of added sugars or sodium. Look for low-sodium options or rinse your canned beans under water to reduce sodium content further. By embracing frozen and canned foods, you're not only saving money but also creating a well-stocked kitchen that makes meal preparation easier and more efficient. So next time you're at the store, don't hesitate to fill your cart with these budget-friendly staples. Tip number 5. Avoid wasting food. Finally, let's talk about one of the easiest ways to save money while eating healthy: avoiding food wastage. It's all too common to let leftovers sit in the fridge until they're forgotten, but with a little creativity, you can turn those remnants into delicious new meals. For instance, leftover roasted vegetables can be tossed into a hearty soup or blended into a flavorful stir-fry. If you have extra grains like rice or quinoa, they can easily be incorporated into salads or used as the base for grain bowls. The possibilities are endless. And what about those overripe bananas sitting on your counter or fridge? Instead of tossing them into the bin, consider using them in smoothies for a natural sweetness or baking them into banana bread. Not only does this prevent waste, but it also allows you to whip up tasty treats that are both nutritious and satisfying. By getting creative with your leftovers and being mindful of what you have on hand, you can stretch your budget even further while reducing food wastage. Remember, every little bit of food counts. So next time you find yourself with extra ingredients sitting around, think outside the box and transform them into something new and delicious. Quick, affordable recipe: easy one-pot lentil stew. This one-pot lentil stew is not only hearty and delicious but also incredibly budget-friendly, costing less than $10 to make. It's perfect for meal prep, as it can be stored in the fridge or freezer for later use. Please check the description of this video for the recipe. And there you have it, easy, affordable tips for healthy eating and a budget-friendly recipe to get you started. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more tips and recipes. What's your go-to budget-friendly meal? Tell me in the comments. See you in the next video.